The mission of BioBridge Global is to save and enhance lives through the healing power of human cells and tissue. We collect and distribute blood donations to hospitals across 48 counties and support tissue, umbilical cord, and birth tissue donations, as well as research and new therapies. BioBridge and all of its subsidiaries are nonprofit organizations.
So this is Qualtex Laboratories in San Antonio. We have a similar, larger facility in Atlanta, Georgia. Between the two laboratories, which are testing samples taken for blood donations and plasma donations, we test about 6 million samples a year in these facilities. Samples arriving at Qualtex Laboratories come in boxes provided by Callan JMB. They're specially designed to keep the samples viable throughout the shipping process. This automation system is one of the first two put into commercial production in this country.
Once the samples are fed into the module, they're placed into pucks, and there's little cameras along the track system that are taking pictures of the barcode, scanning them in, and looking for orders. That determines the routing on the track. It does everything from accepting the sample, checking orders, centrifuging, decapping, and in some cases, testing.
We serve customers in 14 countries across 4 continents, and Callan's incredible track record and reputation in cold chain logistics has played a big role in ensuring we are using the most effective materials and technology to ensure the product stability and viability no matter where we ship them.
We looked at their process and then helped them design the shipper that they use today, and we do the fulfillment here.
We reach into UPS and FedEx's system and update the tracking status for each one of these kits. When we see that one of the kits is on its way back to BioBridge for testing, we resupply that site with a new kit.
We've run the shipper through the reclamation process. We put the empty trays that they'll put the blood tubes in and all of the components in that, and our system sends it out, and they don't have to go back for capital dollars. They do the lease fleet program. That way they're just paying for the use of the product.
We ourselves try to operate as sustainably as possible, so the idea of utilizing reusable Callan JMB shippers that are themselves recyclable is something that was really appealing to BioBridge. At the beginning of COVID, we were trying to solve a big problem with a partner of ours on how to keep kids in school.
They did a lot of the COVID testing. They had all the tools and the equipment to do the testing, but they didn't have the mobile teams.
So we set up teams to go out to take swabs, put the swabs into the viral test media, and send it off to be tested at BioBridge.
They were able to manage all of the collection activities, transportation directly to our lab, and we were able to focus on what we do best, which is testing.
Within 12 hours, they'd be told if that individual had COVID or not. So we were able to keep the schools open, keep the schools healthy, and that all played into supporting the BioBridge Global approach.